Good morning, Singapore. Mga runners. Yaman. Maadto mi sa ano, guys. Marina Bay area. Okay, guys, see you there. It's 6 AM pa, pero dulong pa rin. Dulong. Bye. Kubihan. Dagan gap.
Kaya kung pinapakita ang kanang oras, ito namin pa siya. Pero 6:30 na.
Dulong kami sa Marina Bay area, guys. Ngit-ngit pa kayo sa gawas. Hi, Mamits!
Hi!
Good morning!
Good morning, time check 7 AM.
Good morning!
Morning, Singapore!
Kuyawa na mag-dagan. Uy! Di basta-basta ang daganan. Hi! May katarong dagan kita kataon-taon. Hala! Apple Store, guys. That's the Apple Store in Singapore. Kuyawa ay. Namin din sa may buongon banda, guys.
Ang Criswell. Uy, ganda!
Ako kaya nga na Little India, colorful kayo.
Welcome to Little India.
Slide yun. Dito kami ngayon sa Maxwell Food Center. Dili may mag-breakfast, guys. Dito tayo breakfast. Oh my gosh. Dito tayo breakfast. Pili muna kami ng food, guys. So, dun yung mag-order, guys. Sa stall number 93. So, anong i-order nyo? Mga kapamilya? Nalalabog na ba ang mga dapat nalalabog? Cha-ching! Wow, look at the food nila, guys. So, ang sarap. One order of number 11. $10. Roasted duck, roasted pork with rice.
Rice.
Yes. And one order of number 13. $10. Roasted duck, char siu noodle.
Yeah.
Chili? Meat. Okay, guys, let's eat. So this is roasted pork and roasted duck with noodles and char siu. Kanikay with rice siya na pork and duck. Ay, chicken and duck. Saan ni siya? Sino tawagan ni? Lumi. Ay.
Choy.
Basta na. As mura siya sutanghon, guys. Nga murag na ay squid.
Squid
O
and shrimp.
shrimp.
Meron, guys.
Ano saan ay mo, ate?
Fried oyster.
Fried oyster, guys. This is, ano saan eh? Xiaolong bao. Nya kanay mo, ha? Kanay isa. Kana. Ano saan ako din?
Braised pork.
Braised pork.
Noodle.
Kani?
Kaya na mo?
Pork.
Flat noodle.
Oo.
Bami na.
Bam-i palabok.
Okay, that's it. Bye. Ano yan? Ay, may koi. Guys, may koi, guys. Wow! Choo! Hi! Ilonggo di. Si Troy mo tayo. Kani isa, isa mo na isa.
Ako, artista mo yun.
Troy mo tayo.
Naka-ano, diba? Sila naka-payo. Pwede di. Ay, naka-ano.
Si Fifth na.
Wala naman, no?
Guys! Ay! Naka-picture mi kay Hi, Sue! Via Architecture. Happy Sinulog. Rita. Hi. Boom. Oh. Year of the Water Dragon, diba? Batcha coffee. Ang luka po sila manikin, oy. Kung si Tinay, oh, blush on kayo.
Ayaw ka mawala ka ni pagkatugay. Ayaw ka mawala ka ni pagkatugay.
Separate kag Fendi? Defendi. Okay. Pero Jimmy Choo. Okay, di ba? Barinsan na lang. Bottega. Roger Vivier. Kasi pag Yaya, what do you want? No, like Yaya. Okay. Let's. Oh, how much is the shoes, Yaya? Yan, magkano yan, Yaya? Hindi mo alam yan, Yaya? Yan, Yaya. Gusto ko yan, Yaya. Yes, how much is that?
Excuse me, how much is that?
Sige, we will ask someone. Oh my God. Gwapo ang boots, oh. Gwapo ang boots, oh. Gwapo ang boots. Ganda ang boots. So, ano again? We're eating strawberry sweetheart dessert. Chandol eh, Muhammad. Yummy.
Binibit na mugnaw.
Yummy, guys. Aslom siya. Kanay mo, ha? Mo sa kung sa.
Murag binibit na mugnaw.
Binignit nga bugnaw. Bye-bye. Guys, additional food. Pork somay and custard. Sopa. This is coconut sesame. And then coconut sesame roll and an egg tart. Let's try. Wala mo kayo.
Ha?
Hindi kang sumay.
Ay lang.
Yan ang sumay. Ilan mo? Yummy?
Ito ba? Oh.
Subos, oh.
Huh?
Gusto ko kayo sumay, guys. Let's try the egg custard bun. Wow, oozing. Oh my god, it should melt in your mouth. How's the taste?
Tastes really good.
As in?
Very good, very good.
Dere. Egg custard. Egg custard bun. Egg custard bow. Yummy?
It's egg.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Yama? Okay, we will taste this egg custard bow. Look at, wow, the ooziness. Wow. Ako nagkamali, nag-uring ako siya.
Charot.
No salted egg.
Salted egg.
Ito
Ang texture niya kay Gay.
Texture niya kasi
Ang egg yun na ano.
Wow.
Charot.
Wow. Michelin approved.
Charot.
Michelin. We're going to the cloud forest. Yay! We're here in the sky park of the Marina Bay. Okay, let's go. See you later, alligator. Hi. Look at. Hi guys. Hello. Hi. We're going to the super tree. Oh, cellphone. Oh. Oh, mani oh. 360 naman eh. Kasi din oh. Camera 360. Ah, the Marina Hotel guys. We're back. Boom. Panis. Hi. Welcome to Clock O'Clock. Wala ta. Ano sa channel lang? Clock O'Clock. Okay, we're now going to the super tree area. Clock! What a clock!
Moto shuttle o.
That's the shuttle. Mura nag-repaint sila uli, no?
Malagos Garden Resort. Wow.
Grabe, malagos. Okay, we're going there. Here, G. Clock, 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 clock. Clock, 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 clock. Clock, clock. Huh?
Flower Dome Santa.
Okay, we're going to the flower dome.
Can we reach down here?
I don't think so because the
Flower Dome is there.
yeah. Ah, camera 360 siya. Oh, sus, camera 360, no problem. Oh,
I
you can do that too. So you have this, napay mga pabugnaw din guys. Refreshment sa mga mainit, sa mga mainit na kalamnan niyo guys. Hello.
This is dragon meat. Oh, dragon na naman.
Oh my god.
It's magic dragon. Ang light show niya about.
There's a show later that is related to a dragon. Yes. Oh, Chinese garden. This is a Chinese garter. Ay, guys. Chinese garter, guys. 10, 20, 30. Okay. We're now in the Chinese garter. The Chinese garter. Chinese garden. This is the Chinese garden. Okay. Follow me. This is the Chinese garden. Yeah. Yan. Ay, ambot. Dili ko sure. Nagbayad ba ta? Sige, ta. Yeah. siya.
Balikan siya ulit.
Balikan na to siya ulit.
We will go back again.
Yes, here.
Here.
Ay, guys, naipuntari diri guys.
Manok na pula.
Meron o pula. Ay, meron o wala. So, from Chinese garden, we're now entering the Indian garden. So get ready.
Indian garden.
1, 2, 3. Get ready. Buang. There's an elephant, guys. Look at that. Feel ako, this is a tree, life tree.
Tree of life.
This is a tree of life.
No, that's a baliti tree.
Baliti tree. I think this way. Faster, faster. Faster. Oh. Wow. Yeah. What kind of coconut is this? Phoenix palm? Oh my god. Okay, we're now here at the saan ni siya dire? Mao ni ang
Lao Terminal.
Heritage Gardens. Shake Shack. Okay. Mao ni ang ano ata? Katong
Forest.
Flower Dome.
Flower dome.
Tapos kani ang Cloud Forest. TikTok sila guys, TikTok. TikTok. Kabayan, Oli de Castro. Okay, we're now going to the dome. See you there. Bye. Ito na kami sa ticket area, guys. Yes.
Bago maglakad guys.
Yeah.
Flower dome.
May Shake Shack and the Flower Dome. Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest. Dalawa. Okay, let's go inside the Flower Dome first. Come on. Let's go, Baba Nops. Wow! Oh my God. Sorry guys, kita ka pulumulok lagi pi guys. Wow! Amoy bulak, no? Amoy bulak. Oh, hinay. Kimusubra na. Oh! Oh my God! Wow! Wow, the water dragon. Kitsa ugan. Asi water dalo. Water dragon. Hala! Ga-vape siya ba eh? Sabi na kung iligan ang vape diri. Ay, gaya po kayo ilang ano. How'd sila magbunahon na uli, no? Kailang creative din sila po. Ganda. Murag ianay ng mga kahoy. Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year.
Yeah, Chinese New Year. Sila yung mga display dito, guys. Chinese New Year. Year of the Water Dragon. Patay, tara, training na. Ah! Patay yun. So, wow, there's a dragon there, guys. There's a dragon! Moment, there, we are there earlier. Okay? We are there earlier. Wow, yellow guys. Mga lahat ng dilawan dyan. Pwede. So may installation sila ng dragon, guys. Dalia Dreams, Legend of the Dragon Gate. We're now entering the cloud forest. Ha? Diba? It's really nice here. Amazing. Hello. Familiar lagi na sila. Saan na sila? Ah. Hello, familiar. Ay, andito pala kayo sa garden ko. Sige, enjoy lang ha. Oh, just be careful with the plants, okay? Okay. Enjoy my garden. Enjoy my garden. Already. Bye. Ah, sana all ducks. Video. Uy, buwang. Uy. Tinood na. Pamita. Mura man. Nami diri sa ano guys, Jurassic Nest. Gilid siya sa super tree. Ah, you can self-order, diba? Boom!
Oh, kada size naman yun.
Ayun na tayo. Oo. Pizza. Really, okay naman to, no? He's not charot. Hi guys. Here in the super tree. Nagaulat mi sa ano guys, sa light show. Nice kayo ilang installation art dito guys. Nasa lake dragon na nagalibot sa super tree. Tanaw na ko sa mga. Until sa dragon, nagbalot siya sa super tree, celebrating the Chinese New Year. Wag gawin guys. Too many people kay it's a Sunday today. Ah, grabe, nagulat na ni Sinumpanan sa light show. Dagan kayo. Diyos ko Lord.
Quick little town.
the Silver Garden. Wow, boy. Gasgasan. Gasgasan. Hi guys, we're going to the Helix Bridge. That's the famous Ferris wheel. Helix Bridge, and then we're going home. Para makarelax ng mga feet. No money, no entry. Face the camera. Pose. Face the camera, Tito John. Face the camera. Ah. Face the camera. Face the camera. Pose, Sai. Face the camera. Ah. Diba guys? Look how lively a public space can be if gwapo ang pagka-develop niya. Pagwapo ang architecture, pagwapo ang mga amenities. Grabe, Singapore is ahead of mga 30 years siguro. Pilipinas. Hi guys, now at Helix Bridge. So, what's our inspiration to Helix Bridge? DNA.
I really don't.
I think DNA. It's kind of like a form of a DNA. It mimics the form of a DNA, I think. I will research for you guys. Okay. So guys, natin yung the famous ice cream vendor na si pangalan niya. Ice cream sandwich vendor. Ito yung mga flavor. It's only $1.50. The flavor, kailangan sila'y mango, ube yam, durian, chocolate, choco chip, rebol, red bean, sweet corn, and mango meat. Grabe, nakakita ko guys. Tanawa guys, oh. Boom, hantod sa taas yung baligya guys. Amazing, hantod sa taas. Hi guys. Sige, tilawan na to ng famous ice cream dali guys. Okay. Among palit guys kay blueberry flavor siya. Wala siya wafer. And then blueberry ripple of flavor. Wow. Ganan ko kay medyo aslom siya kamay. Yummy. You taste it. Yummy. Listen. Yummy, right? Yummy?
It's yummy.
Okay. What flavor? What flavor?
Yam.
Ube?
Ube.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's yummy. Ang inspiration sa design sa Helix Bridge guys, DNA daw ni siya guys. Tapos may nakabutang dara nga TA tapos CG. I think it represents the 4 bases of the DNA. For mga 4 bases of the DNA. Senadine, mga nadine man na sila. Adenine, basta. Lagi, mga ingana na. Lagi, stock na rin. Sarap. Kani sila guys, naabot siya yung mga glass as canopy para di siya igang o mga steel mesh. And yung mga poste, naka-stainless siya para iwas kalawang. So Bibo here. Nagaling niya sila doon sa ice cream. Oh. Amazing. Okay. Guys, naikasuko yung mama guys. Grabe bro. Grabe makasinahan guys. Bantay ka, mata ka. Madlungon ka. Grabe mo. Grabe mo itong mata.